Hey, in this video we're going to be installing the Quadratec flashlight and adapters next to our driver's side door seat. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos available. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, like you, I like to overland. You've probably seen some trips that I've done if you looked at some of the past videos. And one thing I always kind of struggled with a little bit is I would take a flashlight either from my house, throw it in the car, I would put it in the bins underneath the back seat or in the console or in the glove box, or I would just throw it in the back in one of the containers I had. And I never really had it at my fingertips. So I looked around and I found this great flashlight at Quadratec, and I actually did watch a video. And this thing actually very easily looks like it just installs right next to the driver's side door or the passenger side door actually. And I went ahead, this is $349, but if you buy the kit together it's $50. This is basically a mag light, but it's Quadratec's brand. It's an LED flashlight, uses 3D batteries. It's pretty good actually, and it's pretty heavy, so if you want to do some damage with it, you can for security purposes or whatever. But anyway, I tell you what, let's go ahead and flip the camera around and let's install this thing. It looked really simple. Let's just get started. All right, if we look here, this is pretty simple. It came with a flashlight. I actually did put in the batteries. They did not come. And this is pretty good. It's actually got a dimming switch built into it. You've got, you're on, you're off, your basics. So not bad. And then if we look at what's inside of here, it's actually not much. We got two brackets. It looks like this. So we'll clip in, goes underneath, and there's a screw that goes inside of here, and some hardware. And there is the end seat right here. So the nut track is actually built in. So we got the adapters, got some hardware, and we got the flashlight. This should take no time to get installed. Let's go ahead and throw this thing in and see what it looks like, and see if it affects the seat movement and all of that. Well, I realized I just forgot to hit record when I was installing this. This might have been the most simple thing I've ever installed in my life. You really just put these two brackets in and there's screws on the back. That's it. This thing is awesome. It fits perfectly inside of here. It does not affect the door, and I thought it might affect me getting into the car. But when I come in, I actually hit this and I come right through here. It does not affect anything. And there's the door comes to about right here. So it's very good. It's very at your fingertips too if you need to pull it out. And you have a flashlight always available. So thanks for taking the time to go through that. That is, again, that's the Quadratec flashlight. I got off their website, it was about $50 and included the flashlight, no batteries, but it did include the brackets and everything that went with it. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit like and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos available. Thanks for the time.